Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to talk about the greatest benefit of having Pectus Excavatum. I know most of you think Pectus sucks and it's the worst thing ever, and I totally get that. I thought the same thing. But I think there is one really significant benefit to having the condition, is that it often provides the motivation for you to work out. It did for me, and I know it has for the hundreds of clients that I've coached to overcome their condition. Having Pectus really was that motivation that prompted us to start working out, to build muscle, to improve our physique. And I think this is so incredible because I think when you develop the habit and the lifestyle of going to the gym, building muscle, exercising, there's a few really great benefits that will change your entire life. Firstly, it builds confidence in yourself. And when you build confidence in yourself, your overall quality of life in all other areas of life will be heightened. It completely changed my life way more than just changing my body. It gave me confidence in who I was as a human. And I think that's really powerful. It makes everything from work to relationships, everything so much better. It also forges self-discipline. The gym can create the work ethic that you need to succeed and have a great life. For me, it taught me that good things don't come easy, and you have to continuously work for them, and you have to put in the reps. It's a great metaphor for life because that's how it is in business, that's how it is in relationships. Nothing's easy. There's always ups and downs, and you have to work for things. The other reason why establishing the habit of working out and eating healthy to have a lean muscular physique is so important is for health. Now, health, that is probably the most important thing in your life, is your health. Okay, that will determine the quality of your life, the length of your life. As you get older, if you've been subjecting yourself to weight training, you're going to have stronger bones for preventing things like osteoporosis. You're going to be in great shape and fit so you don't have cardiovascular disease and other kind of diseases that are associated with potentially being overweight or obese. So establishing these habits will change your life so much. And so having Pectus is often a blessing. It was a blessing for me, and I know it's a blessing for hundreds of my clients because it got them into the gym. And when you're into working out and exercising, you will have a better quality of life than people who aren't. So if you're not already, you should really start adopting this lifestyle. I'd love to help coach you to establish these habits and transform your Pectus and your life. So if you are interested, you can go to my website, fixpectus.com, to learn more about my coaching. Thanks guys, I hope this video made you feel a bit better about your Pectus and made you realize that there is a bit of a silver lining to the situation if you act on it, if you actually implement exercise, because it will, firstly, will make your Pectus look way better, and secondly, exercise will change the quality of your life in terms of confidence and in terms of health. So anyway, thanks guys.